In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning animations in Canva. We're going to keep things simple but powerful, so that by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to add eye-catching motion to your designs with just a few clicks. First, go ahead and open your design in Canva. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or a thumbnail. Once your design is open on the Canva editor, look at the elements on your page. You can animate almost anything, but for this example, we'll focus on text or an image. Start by clicking on the text box or image you want to animate. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or outline around it, along with a small toolbar at the top of the screen. It's important to click directly on the element you want, especially if you have several layers. If you accidentally select the wrong item, just click once more on the correct text or image. With your element selected, move your attention to the top menu. There you'll see an option labeled Animate. Go ahead and click on that. This opens Canva's animation panel, where you can preview and choose different motion effects. You'll notice there are various categories and styles, but for now we'll focus on one specific effect to keep things clear. In the animation panel, look for an effect called Flicker. When you see it, click on Flicker to apply it to your selected text or image. As soon as you do, Canva will show you a preview of how that element will appear when animated. The flicker effect gives your design a subtle flashing or blinking motion, which works especially well for drawing attention to keywords, headlines, or important visuals. If the effect feels too intense or distracting, you can always switch to another animation later by clicking Animate again and choosing a different style. You can also test how it looks by pressing the play or preview button at the top of the editor to see your entire design in motion, not just a single element. Remember, you're in full control here. You can repeat the same process for other text boxes or images in your design, applying flicker or any other animation that fits your style and message. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to download or share your animated design directly from Canva.